Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. I just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevy stroker engine. This is the 475 horsepower package engine. Ready to go for our customer's 1976 Corvette. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We have the 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal, double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, Edelbrock Performer RPM aluminum heads, American made, roller rocker arms. Engine block is painted the red with the brass freeze plugs. Proper oil pan for the Corvette. We have the Taylor red ignition wires, made in USA. All the spark plug markers are on there. We have the aluminum intake, proper thermostat housing for the Corvette. Thermostats installed. Quick fuel carburetors in there, throttle cable bracket, throttle return spring, HEI distributors in there. Customer's getting a TKO 600 manual transmission. We have the proper bell housing on there, ram clutches in there, clutch fork, supply to throwout bearing, everything's aligned, all set. High torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube. High flow fuel pump, all the fittings are in there, gas filters on there, heavy duty Russell fuel line. We have the customer requested the alternator only kit, so we got the 140 amp chrome alternator, 1-wire hookup, real easy. Belt tension's all set. We got the heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt on there. Every engine is live run for over an hour here. All the settings are set. You'll see a video of your engine running with all the readings. Photos sent of the entire engine build will be sent to you of your engine. So this is the way you get it. EngineFactory.com. When you're ready to buy, give us a call. 1-800-326-6554. Family owned and operated business. Been in business over 50 years. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.